Mother, there's a song here that I need to translate for you based on my understanding because I don't know this song. Okay? This is how they step.
Maguinam matay uli na taguan uling kanina'y posogan iliong kapatogan.
Okay, I don't understand that, but I try my best. It says, the people in your front is so beautiful and you need to watch her. Okay?
Kulturang kadaanan tinawid udan kesan ulis kapyakan masakbayan ituloy tapon mabunan.
Okay. It says here, the culture is old and the way she dancing is that how it likes oneness and peaceful for the country. So you need to still watch her, okay? Watching her step, okay?
Maguinam, 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 sigaw san kagasatan, awat mo san nun binatnan, into the pokabunya.
Okay, it says there you need to stand and dance with her.
No.
That says the lyrics. Oh, you need to dance that also daw. You need to copy.
You copy.
Only like that, mother. Oh. Only your hands. Come on. Can you try? Only your hands? Oh, see? Easy, right? Katlo. Oh, it says there, much better to dance if it's three. So we need to wait, ano, Ryan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay na naman eh.